Hi everybody, welcome back. You want to know how to launch a meme coin? First, you have to open a Solana wallet like Phantom or maybe like Soulflare. Then you go to Pump.Fun and from there you will log in with your wallet. You have to deposit Solana. Solana is now 150 US dollars. So maybe you need only 0.10%, that's $15. Today is June 9, and with that money you can open and you can create your first meme coin, your first token. So later you go here to start a new coin and you add the name, add the ticker, you complete the description, and you add the image. As soon as you add all this information, you won't be able to change it. So think this twice before doing this. Then you will create a meme coin in 1 second. I launched my meme coin in November of 2024, which is called Algomoneyfest, and it managed to go to 200,000 US dollars market cap. And this is what happened. I actively traded my coin. I recommend using gmgn.ai for doing all the token analysis and studying the markets and the trenches. And I will offer you the link in the description below this video. I will see that I made over 2,000 transactions. I made some profit, but it was very hard, very hard learning curve here. So I have to study a lot to understand how to trade meme coins. So this is my wallet, and this is my experimental Algomoneyfest wallet. It started from $100 and now it's slowly growing with emergency deposits for specific trades. Use GMGN for doing analytics and from studying the trenches, and that's it. And follow your coin here. You will see that once you start following a coin here, you will be able to see all the data like the market cap, the liquidity, all the holders that are holding, the key opinion leaders call, this is a very bad coin, but you will be able to follow all the important data here in the wallet. I also talk about precious metals like gold, silver from years, and I'm just using meme coins for fun. Now there is a problem with the world economy. There is too much spending, so everybody is jumping to gold, silver, meme coins. So please, if you consider launching a Solana meme coin, please follow my channel, which is Algomoneyfest on YouTube, and then from there you can learn a lot, get more tips about gold, silver, and the crypto market. Thank you, and bye bye.